This Māori Report is expressed through values such as Whanaungatanga and Rangatiratanga and Kaitiakitanga, and just interpreting and releasing the data around that concept and stories as well to back that up gives a different lens to the information and how our people engage with that information.
Data is about telling a story, and it's really important that Māori have control, Rangatiratanga, over the story we tell about not only who we are, but what is important to us and where we are going.
The basic background of the report is it's a headline indicators report, reporting on the Māori plan and giving some quantitative and qualitative evidence behind, how Māori are doing in Tāmaki Makaurau and where they're looking to head to.
Data matters for Māori in that it is a really useful, if not critical, way of measuring progress, particularly in this post-treaty settlement era where we have a lot of visioning going on and big picture on this is where we want to go.
We need to be able to measure success through our own aspirations and towards our own aspirations, and we need the evidence to be able to underpin our development, our policies and our interventions.
It's really important that Māori have rangatiratanga over their data because that data will tell the story of who we are.